Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer speaker for sounds in a phone. Samsung Galaxy S7 2018 in the Samsung Galaxy S7 2018 phone. For this we need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard, because if it's too hard it will scratch your phone, so that's important. We also need alcohol, preferably 100% pure, to soak the brush so that the dirt is easily softened by the alcohol and comes off without any problem. This brush came as part of a whole set of brushes. You can buy such a set on Amazon, we have one like that, but if you don't, you can just use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium, because otherwise you'll scratch your phone. So, we moisten the brush thoroughly. If you don't have a diffuser, just pour a little alcohol into a container. The phone must always be turned off. Never do any kind of deep cleaning on a phone that's turned on. Take it in your hand, and here we have the buzzer, the one for sounds, and with a steady motion in one direction, we clean it. 5 to 10 times in one direction, then 5 to 10 times in the other direction to make sure it's thoroughly cleaned. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction. Like I said, a few times in one direction. Don't just do it in one direction, because the dirt will just move from side to side from the socket and it won't get properly cleaned. It won't come out of the socket. It'll just stay stuck in that opening of the buser and you won't be able to clean it as thoroughly as you should. And with a one-way movement, after the 5th or 6th time, the dirt that has softened will come out, pushed out together through the little lens, and everything will be properly cleaned. After the procedure, we set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate, and then the whole operation will be finished. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.